Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today guys, this is going to be following the fragrance review that I did using these Doop fragrances guys that I got. They are beautiful guys and I was so impressed with them guys that I decided to make a candle out of it. So today we're going to try blending these different fragrance oils guys into making this beautiful candle, okay? So for the candle vessel I'm going to be using this Evermore cylinder guys. This is from 1617. So I have in here my testing strips guys and I'm going to be making a blend. Most likely it's gonna be 2 oils tops because I want to make it simple. I just want to make it like unforgettable. Okay guys, so let me see in here. My goodness, there's so many choices guys, so many choices. Okay, now this one in here guys, the first one that I'm gonna be making a test strip is Lavender Vetiver. One of the many of them, the fragrance oils that I really like fell in love with. Okay, so I'm gonna make a test strip. Okay, Lavender Vetiver. Okay, now the next one is gonna be Jasmine Sandbag. Yes, okay, Jasmine Sandbag. Goodness, guys, there's so many. Okay, I'm gonna try Tudor Rose and Amber. I'm tempted to use incense, but that's gonna be something like, you know what? Why not? Let me just try the incense because that's, to me, it was one of my favorites. So even though it's very potent, but this is for me, guys. This is my candle. So I'm gonna try these 4 guys. I'm gonna put the other ones to the side. Okay, and let's start having fun. Yes, okay. Okay, so the first one that I'm gonna make a test strip is gonna be Lavender Vetiver. Okay, and let's see what this one gives me. Oh my god. The combination is so beautiful, so luxurious, so well balanced, you know. I love lavender, it's very cleansing, and the vetiver is very also it's very strong, but it's not they combine each other. They get along so well guys. This is very relaxing, very calming, very like it's beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay, so let me just put this to the side. Amazing. Okay, the next one is Jasmine Sandbag. Okay, and I really want to make a blend of 2 oils at least. Okay, okay, this one is Jasmine Sandbag. Okay, let me find the notes about this one. By the way, the notes for Lavender Vetiver guys, the top note is lavender essence, the middle note is orange blossom, and the bottom note is orchid accord. So it's beautiful. Okay, the next one, the top note crushed flower petal. It's so romantic guys. The middle note Jasmine Sandbag, and the bottom note is luscious greens. This is truly amazing, very delicate, very like it reminds me of like a Jo Malone scent. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, the next one is Tudor Rose and Amber. Guys, this is the best part for me making candles. I love smelling fragrance oils. I love blending oils. I love creating something new, something that's gonna give me a lot of like happiness, you know. And this, I love doing this, guys. Okay, this one is Tudor Rose and Amber. Epic. Okay, I smell the amber in here. It's and the rose. It smells like kind of like a sweet, but at the same time it's not sweet. It's something like more. It's more romantic. More, I don't know. It's kind of like licorice also on the same time. Okay, the top note is black clove. Okay, it's spicy. Pink pepper. The middle note damask rose and ginger. That's what makes it so special. The spices in this beautiful. The bottom notes amber patchouli and golden musk. Truly, truly, truly epic, guys. It's gonna be so hard for me to decide. You know, my goodness. Maybe I'll do the four different oils. Who knows? Wow, I'm blown away, guys. Okay, the next one is Incense Shop, and I'm looking through my notes in here because I want to make sure that I didn't make any notations before. Okay, I don't have any notations in here. Okay, Incense Shop. Let's see what this one's gonna give me, guys. I know I'm gonna love it, but again, this is not for everyone because this is very strong. Okay, this may be a maybe because this may overpower the rest. Well, let's see, guys. Let's see. Incense Shop. Oh my god. Okay, I have to say, guys, this is my favorite from all of them. It's very spiritual. Very like, oh my god, it makes I get goosebumps out of this one, guys. It connects me to loved ones. It's absolutely very transcendental, you know, and very like zenning, very like perfect for meditation and also perfect for meeting someone new. Absolutely beautiful, guys. This is gonna be really hard. Okay, let me just have a sip of my drink because this is gonna be very emotional for me. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start with lavender vetiver, okay? And I'm gonna try smelling them with the rest and see what I get. Lavender vetiver and jasmine sambac, equal parts. Let's see what this is gonna bring me, guys. Okay, this works, but I'm getting the feeling inside that this is not for this candle. It could work, but they want to be more independent, okay? They want to be independent, okay? So let me just keep them to the side. Okay, I'm gonna try lavender vetiver and Tudor rose and amber. Let's see what this one gives me. No. Okay, these are fighting right away from the get-go. Okay, so let's see lavender vetiver and incense shop. You know, guys, I feel it. It's like they talk to me. They tell me, okay, no, don't. I don't want to be shaking hands with the other one. So I know that, and I get the feeling. I say, okay, enough. Let's see this one, incense shop and lavender vetiver. Okay, you see? Oh my goodness. This is, to me, it's like a signal from God. Oh my God. This is so powerful. Oh my God. So potent. The energy is so sublime, so impactful. I don't even know the words to use, guys. But these two together, guys, this is amazing, okay? Truly amazing. I think the power of the lavender and the vetiver is also very like aromatherapy, like friendly. You know, it's like it's an aromatherapy candle. That's what it is, okay? And when you mix it with the incense, guys, this is creating magic, guys. And I think these two are gonna be the ones that I'm gonna be using for the candle, okay? I'm not even gonna try anything else because this is giving me vibes that I wanna make this, guys. This combination is gonna be equal parts, okay, guys? Yes! Okay. So the magic potion, equal parts, incense shop, and lavender vetiver. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Okay, guys, I'm gonna gather all the ingredients that we're gonna need for the candle, and I'll be right back. Yay! Okay, guys, I'm so excited with the new blend that I'm gonna be making this beautiful candle. Okay, guys, so I made the numbers, and for this candle, for this Evermore vessel, guys, I'm gonna be needing, it's gonna be a total fill of 13 ounces. Okay, that includes the fragrance oil and the wax. Okay. For the wax, I'm gonna be using number 7. Okay, it's right over here. I'm gonna give you the numbers right now. Okay, guys. Okay, so I'm looking for a 10% fragrance load. Okay, guys. So what I do, guys, is I go into my calculator, guys. Okay, so if I want 10% of 13 ounces, all you do is just put 13 times 0.10, and that's gonna give you 1.3. Okay, that's gonna be 1.3 ounces of fragrance oil. Okay, that we're gonna be needing. Okay, so I'm gonna make a note of that in the end. 1.3 fragrance oil. Okay, now how much wax do I need? Okay, so you take 13, which is the total fill, minus 1.3 equals 11.7. Okay, so we're gonna be needing 11.7 ounces of wax, number 7, and 1.3 ounces of fragrance oil. Okay, now, okay, because I have two fragrance oils, equal parts, I'm gonna divide 1.3 divided by 2 because 2 fragrance oils is equal 0.65. Okay, so each fragrance oil is gonna be 0.65 ounces. Okay, guys? Yes! Okay, so let's do that right now. Let me get my pipettes because we have to be accurate. Guys, always have pipettes in hand because that's the best way that you can measure oils accurately. So in the meantime, guys, I'm gonna put the wax on the microwave to start warming up, okay? 6 minutes on high. And let's pray that the power doesn't go out because sometimes the power just comes out because I'm using too much electricity here. Oh my God, this is glorious. It smells amazing, guys. Truly amazing. Beautiful. But again, this is very strong. It's not for everyone. Okay, I'm gonna tear again. I'm gonna need 0.65 for the next one. Perfection. Guys, I'm telling you guys, I'm so happy, guys. I've been reviewing so many oils lately from different beautiful companies, you know. Like I got yesterday, like last week, I got these Dulceria creations. I'm so happy with them, guys. I got Doop. Tomorrow, it's gonna be Sunday, I'm gonna be making a live stream using Lark fragrance oils, guys. This beautiful Lark artisan supply, but I ride in Canada and British Columbia, guys. So I'm looking forward for that tomorrow. Okay, I have this contraption because these are the candles that I sell. So for me to be to make it fast on wicking my vessels, I use this. Okay, so here we go, and this is wick to perfection. Okay, I already cleaned the vessel with alcohol. I make sure that I press really well, guys, because we want to make sure that you have full contact with the glass. We don't want this coming off from the bottom of the vessel, you know. Remember, we have to be very careful because it's very hot. So let me just put this to the side in here. Okay, it's 203. It's too cold. I want it to be at least 220. Between 210 and 220. Yeah, otherwise, the fragrance oil is not gonna bind together. People say it's fine, you know, if you put it at 200. I want it to be a little bit hotter than that. Okay, it's 214. It's perfect. Okay, so now I'm just gonna add the fragrance oil and I'm gonna let it bind for a few seconds. Look at how thick this is. I want every single drop in there. Okay, 202. You see how fast it goes down? You see? That's why you have to make sure that it's really hot, guys, because you only get one chance to bind this together. Otherwise, it's not gonna be perfect. This is truly magical, guys. I wish you were here because it smells amazing. And again, we're gonna be pouring this into the vessel between 180 and 185. Why? Because I don't want the wick stickers to come off. Okay. So yes, guys, I've been getting a lot of different fragrance oils from different companies. You know, I'm so happy because I wanna try something new. You know, it's like you know what, guys, it's good to try new things. You know, but at the same time, guys, you know, we all react to the scent differently. You know, so you know, like for me, like I'm very picky when it comes to lavenders. This lavender to me is glorious because it's not overpowering. You know, and the way it combined with the incense, guys, it's truly a magic potion. Okay, and so different companies have, I call them the signature oils. Like for me, 6017, they are like on a universe by themselves. I don't know, there's something on those oils that really like get to me so in such a different kind of level, you know. Candle Science has their beautiful vibes, you know, beautiful seasonal fragrance oils, you know. A couple of my candles are using Candle Science. You know, so I like to mix different company fragrance oils. I like the flaming candle also, you know. Maxi I haven't tried. I mean, I tried in the past, but that was a long story. I may try them in the future because you never say never, you know. Okay, it's 194, so let's keep. This is why I like making these blends for you, you know, because it's something that when something really like impresses me and gives me like makes me feel this inspired, I just want to share with you. Okay, that's what my channel is all about: inspiration and sharing you my journey with you. Okay, guys, I'll be back once it's come to temperature. Okay? Yes. Okay, guys, welcome back. We are 185. We're ready to pour, guys. Let me just put some paper towels in here just in case I make a mess. Here we go, guys. It's now or never. Come on, baby. Guys, I used to do this on 14 ounces. You know, I think 13 ounces is much better. So yeah, we'll see. Everybody's different. Okay, so I'm gonna put some alcohol in here because I don't want this to solidify. Okay, you do this, guys, and you just take the excess wax from the container, guys, and it just goes into the paper towel, so you don't have to worry about cleaning up. Candle, guys, again, this is equal parts incense shop and lavender vetiver, both of them from Doop fragrances. Yes, guys. So I'm gonna let it solidify, and I'll be right back with a quick recap. Okay? Yes, success. Okay, guys, here it is, a beautiful candle. It's not completely solid yet, so I'm not gonna light it up, guys. I'm gonna wait a couple of weeks. I have to say, guys, the CT is truly magical, guys. This combination of true fragrance oil from Doop, incense shop, and lavender vetiver, guys, equal parts, it made this beautiful candle, guys. It is gonna be an unforgettable candle, guys. I'm pretty sure that you are gonna love this combination too, guys. So if you have a chance to get these beautiful oils, I'm gonna put all the links down below on the description box. Let me just read you a little bit of information for the oils, which I didn't do before. Okay, so for the lavender vetiver, guys, this is the fragrance description according to Doop. Okay, this sensual fragrance contains signature notes of lavender essence from France and Moroccan orange blossom combined with glowing orchid and warm vanilla. Yes, and this fragrance oil is inspired by YSL's Libre. Beautiful. The top note is lavender essence, the middle note orange blossoms, and the bottom notes are orchid accord. Okay. Yes, guys. Okay, the next one is incense shop, and the description from Doop, it says, ever walked into an incense shop or a metaphysical store? Well, this smells exactly like that. This is a beautiful earthy oriental that has notes of frankincense, patchouli, jasmine, and ylang-ylang. Beautiful, guys. This is very very spiritual for me. The top note is frankincense resin, middle note earthy patchouli, jasmine blooms, and the bottom notes dry ylang-ylang blossoms. Guys, this combination, guys, is gonna blow your mind. Beautiful. Okay, guys, so I want to thank Doop Fragrances for sending me these beautiful fragrance oils, guys, and also I want to thank you all for coming and spending this time with me, guys. And don't forget, guys, check out my website, candleromance.shop, so you can purchase all my beautiful candles, guys. And until the next video, guys, take care of yourself and each other. I love you. Bye. Yes! Success! Success! Yes! Yes!